Hello, everybody, and welcome you on this occasion. I'm glad to learn that the Mumbai Veterinary College and a constituted college of the MAFSU and one of the oldest veterinary college of India has developed a minimal invasive center through excellence in the laparoscopy diagnosis treatment. I the laparoscopy surgeries provide less painful options than open surgeries, thus reducing the hospitalization time and a great satisfaction to the animal owner. It is need the time that the veterinary institute as well as the clinics in the urban and rural area should adopt this new technology which will give a more satisfaction and good results in the coming days. So all the multi-specialty clinics of the animals should adopt all this. I came to know that number of participants and are growing very fast for this course, not only from India but worldwide also, globally also. And this is the main thing. This is the success of this particular technology which has been taken care of. It is a matter of proud. Course is being conducted by the Veterinary College. A team of specialists like Dr. Shukla Savelkarji, Dr. Tripathi, Dr. Gaikwad will be delivering the knowledge online to the veterinarians globally. I also congratulate Dr. Paturkar, Vice Chancellor of the MAFSU, and Dr. Ranade, Dean of the Veterinary College, for inspiring the staff to conduct such courses. My best wishes to Dr. Khandekar, course coordinator, for the success of the online course. This is the success story of this state. This is the story which gives that this state is a progressive state. Once again, I thanks to my staff and all the persons who is working in this veterinary field in the state of Maharashtra. With this, all my best wishes for your approach, and hereafter government will be with you. With these few words, I say thank you, goodbye, Jai Hind.
College under Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University in Nagpur is organizing 4 days unique online program on basics of small animal laparoscopy from 24th to 27th of May 2020. There are more than 2,000 participants who are already registered for this program, including the participants from outside India like Netherlands, Nigeria, Nepal and other countries. I wish all the best to the organizer for organizing such a unique program.
Friends, a very good morning to all of you. I am extremely happy to learn that the Laparoscopy Training Center under Archiva Unit of Department of Surgery and Radiology, Mumbai Veterinary College, Mumbai is engaging students, staff, veterinary officers, practitioners from all over the India and abroad through a 4 days training program on certificate course on basics of small animal laparoscopy between 24th to 27th May 2020. It is noteworthy that Mumbai Veterinary College, the oldest veterinary college in India, has developed a minimal invasive center of excellence under ICAR scheme titled Improvement of Diagnostic Skills and Surgical Art of Field Veterinarians for Maintenance of Production and Health of Livestock through Laparoscopy Diagnosis and Treatment during the years 2011 to 13. Since then, the staff of the department has worked relentlessly to develop this center through various research projects, routine cases and trainings on diagnostic laparoscopy, interventional laparoscopy and thoracoscopy. Up till now, 21 MUSc students and 4 PhD students, they have completed their research in the field of laparoscopy under this center. The center has come up with 22 research recommendations. The center has also published 111 research articles in national and internationally reputed journals. Dr. G.S. Khandekar, Principal Investigator of the Center, has been bestowed with the fellowship of ISVS in 2018 for his work. The work carried out in the center have been recognized in the form of gold medals for Best Poster Presentation and Paper Presentation Award in Animal Surgery Sessions from 2017 to 2020 and Best Oral Presentation Award at the International Society for Advancement of Canine Practice Conference. Till date, the center has conducted 10 laparoscopic trainings including ICR Tech national level training for veterinarians and special training for veterinarians from Uttarakhand and Gujarat. Apart from these in-house trainings, the staff has visited various veterinary institutes in states like Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, UP to demonstrate laparoscopy and equipment handling to the teaching faculty and students. 5 special one-day hands-on laparoscopic trainings on human laparoscopic surgeons were conducted at the center in collaboration with Meditronic India Limited. The center also conducts hands-on training program for the internship students of MAPSUI every year. I am extremely happy that this online training has gained an overwhelming response by registration of more than 2,000 participants, which includes teaching faculty, practitioners and students not only from the India but also from countries like Netherlands, Georgia, Malaysia, Tanzania, Nigeria, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan in just initial 24 hours of an announcement. It also gives me immense pleasure to reach out through this online mode to our veterinarian soldiers who are keen on training but new techniques but are unable to attend trainings in person due to their postings in the Indian Army, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Remote Veterinary Corps and Border Security Force, etc. I am confident this course will definitely benefit veterinary surgeons, academic staff, students, veterinary officers, practitioners through learning advanced techniques and will engage the students in positive manner during the COVID-19 pandemic. I wish participants a fruitful training by staying at home, staying safe. Thank you.
Hello participants, hope you are safe and healthy and are doing well in this time of uncertainty caused by COVID-19 corona disease pandemic and global lockdown. I am indeed very happy to note that the Laparoscopy Training Center of the Department of Surgery and Radiology, Mumbai Veterinary College, Mumbai is organizing a 4 days unique online certificate course on basics of small animal laparoscopy during 24 to 27 May this year, which is an online certificate course. I am very proud to mention that Mumbai Veterinary College, one of the oldest veterinary colleges in India, has developed a center of excellence in minimal invasive surgery in the year 2013 under the RKVY scheme with the title Improvement of Diagnostic Skill and Surgical Art of Field Veterinarians for Maintenance of the Production and Health of Livestock through Laparoscopic Diagnostic and Treatment. Since then, the staff of the department has worked persistently to develop this center through various research projects, routine cases and training on diagnostic laparoscopy, interventional laparoscopy and thoracoscopy. Up till now, 21 MVC and 4 PhD students completed their research in the field of laparoscopy under this center. Based on this research, the center has earned 22 research recommendations that have been approved by the Joint Animal Research Council meeting of the Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University. The center has also published more than 100 national and international research articles in various NAS-rated journals. Dr. G.S. Khandekar, the principal investigator of Laparoscopic Center, has been bestowed with the fellowship of ISVS in 2018 for his extraordinary work. This center has won the gold medals for best paper presentation in small animal surgery session from 2017 to 2020 and best oral presentation award at the International Society for Advancement of the Canine Practice conferences. Till date, the center has conducted 10 laparoscopy trainings, including ICAR TEC national level training for veterinarians and special training for veterinarians from Uttarakhand and Gujarat state. Also, the experts staff of the center has visited various veterinary institutes in other states like Madhya Pradesh, Ludhiana, and Meerut, and demonstrated the laparoscopy and equipment handling to the teaching faculty and students. I am glad to mention here that the staff of Laparoscopy Center provided training to the staff and students of the College of Veterinary Science, Bikaner, Rajasthan, and also operated upon the female dog belonging to Her Highness, Princess of Bikaner. 5 special one-day hands-on laparoscopy training for human laparoscopy surgeons were conducted at the center in collaboration with Medtronic India Limited. The center is regularly conducting hands-on training programs for the internship students of this university, MAPSU, every year. I am extremely happy to know that this center has gained an overwhelming response of registration of over 2,000 participants. The teaching faculty, practitioners, and students, including the international participants from countries like Netherlands, Georgia, Malaysia, Tanzania, Nigeria, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, in just initial 24 hours of the announcement of this training program. This online training will also benefit the veterinarian soldiers who are keen on learning new techniques but cannot attain training in person due to their positions in Indian Army, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, remote veterinary corps, and border security forces. This training introduced the participants to the basic laparoscopic technique through audiovisual aids, the fulfillment of which can be attained by the participants with hands-on practice under expert guidance whenever feasible to them. I am sure this course will definitely benefit veterinary surgeons all over and will engage the students in a positive manner during the COVID-19 pandemic. I hope that this online training program will fulfill the desire for learning of minimal invasive surgical techniques and build the professional competence among the participants. Finally, I congratulate the entire team of Laparoscopy Training Center, Mumbai Veterinary College, Mumbai, for their hard work over the decade and wish the online course a grand success. So, thank you very much. All the best.
It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you for the upcoming online training course on basic of small animal laparoscopy. Myself, Dr. Nitin Kurkure, Director Research, Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur. I take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation for organization of online training at the Department of Veterinary Surgery, Mumbai Veterinary College, Mumbai, during 24th to 27th May 2020. Mumbai Veterinary College is the oldest veterinary institute of India. it has developed Center of Excellence in Minimum Invasive Surgery under the aegis of RKVY since 2011. Staff at the department is devoted, and this center, PI of the center, is a recipient of Fellow Indian Society of Veterinary Surgery. The work carried out at this center has grabbed many awards till date. The center has conducted 10 national training on laparoscopy till now. Hands-on training for the student is routine activity for this center. I am sure training will be well designed and the issue related to small animal laparoscopy will be discussed during training course. The techniques which were routine will be redundant tomorrow, and radical techniques will be routine. Disruptive technologies will be demanded in future, and this training is one step toward the making it available in an agile way of online training for you all. I am extremely happy to learn that training has over 2,000 registration and has enrolled international participants also. For many of you, this may be your first online training course. Online course provides different way to study and acquire different skills. I congratulate the faculty of this training course for arranging this online training during COVID pandemic. I wish all the best for the success of program.
Namaskar. My name is Professor Dr. Ajit Shankar Ranade, and presently I am working as the Dean at Mumbai Veterinary College. Now, in this unprecedented scenario of the COVID-19 pandemic throughout the globe, as we are experiencing, a lot of things have changed, a lot of things are changing, and a lot of things will change further. Similarly, the methods of education, the methods of imparting education or training are also going to change. And we already have started conducting online classes, Zoom lectures, webinars, etc. Now, in this particular scenario, because of lockdown, majority of the students, majority of the people are at home. And for more than 2 months now, they are feeling detached from the professional life. In order to take care of such kind of feeling, I'm very happy today to share with you today that the Department of Surgery at Mumbai Veterinary College have planned an online course on the basics of small animal surgery. The experts from the Department of Surgery, namely Dr. Khandekar, Dr. Lokhande, Dr. Tripathi, and I must take the name of some of the ex-staff members who are right now not with us, Dr. Shahir Gaikwad, Dr. Komal Chaudhary, all of them, and many others have collectively worked to take the Department of Surgery at the top level as of now. We have an excellent academic staff, expert surgeons, and they have been continuously busy, in uplifting the knowledge of the field veterinarians. Under that, the Department of Surgery, somewhere in the year 2011-13, have established a unit, or you can call it as a Center of Excellence of Minimum Invasive Surgery, and that unit has been functioning extremely well. So far, I think 4 doctorate research programs and about 20 plus master's degree research programs have been undertaken in that particular unit with laparoscopy, and the department and this unit, the Center of Excellence, is doing extremely well in the field. So under the Center of Excellence by the Department of Surgery, Mumbai Veterinary College, online course for 4 days duration has been organized from 24th of May 2020. And I was told that more than 2,000 veterinarians have already registered for this online course. Moreover, the veterinarians are not only from India but from throughout the globe for other countries also, including countries like Netherlands, African countries, etc. So I'm here just to wish all success for this program. I am here to appreciate the efforts of all the staff members of the Department of Surgery of Mumbai Veterinary College. And by organizing this particular online program, it's a feather in the cap of the Department of Surgery as well as Mumbai Veterinary College. So I wish all success for this particular online program. I'm sure it will be a grand success. God bless you all. Please take care. Please stay safe. Thank you very much.
This is Dr. A.T. Sherikar, former and founder Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur. I am glad to know that the Mumbai Veterinary College, which is an oldest institution of the country, has developed a minimal invasive center of excellence under RKVY scheme, improvement of diagnostic skill and surgical art of veterinarians for maintenance of production and health of livestock through laparoscopy diagnosis and treatment in 2001 and 2013 under great visionary and now retired professor of surgery, Dr. L.B. Sarkate. Since then, this unit has done excellent work in this area and flourished with accolades, having 4 PhD theses, 21 MSc theses, 22 research recommendations, 2 gold medals and awards, including training to veterinarians, human laparoscopic surgeons and livestock demonstrations in other states like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, under the guidance of Dr. G.S. Khandekar, Professor of Surgery and Radiology, Mumbai Veterinary College. I am extremely happy that this online mode training has gained an overwhelming response of registration from over 2,000 participants from all over the world, including the countries like Netherlands, Georgia, Malaysia, Tanzania, Nigeria, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan in just initial 24 hours of announcement. It feels wonderful to know that through this technology, those veterinary soldiers who are working at remote places like Indo-Tibetan border, renowned veterinary practice corps, border security force are also going to learn these techniques along with other students, academic staff and veterinary officers. I congratulate the organizing team for providing the need-based training within the reach during countrywide lockdown. I am extremely happy to extend my warm greetings and wish the course a grand success. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Uddhav Raj Dudedia and I am a gynecological endoscopic surgeon, and I welcome you to this training facility at Bombay Veterinary College, and I once again congratulate Dr. Khandekar and his team, Dr. Tripathi and all his team at the Bombay Veterinary College and Hospital, where they have been working hard towards creating a state-of-the-art center, especially to train and interact with colleagues all over the world, locally and globally, to advance, share and interact and exchange thoughts about role of minimal invasive approach towards the procedures on veterinary surgeries and even humans. So it's a great opportunity, and I welcome you all and wish you all the best. All of you know that the progress in endoscopy has made a lot of minimal invasive procedures very accessible, and now it is imperative on us medical doctors and veterinarians to train ourselves in the advanced technologies of endoscopy and perform most of the procedures by endoscopic way to make our procedures minimal invasive. And I take this opportunity, and I am glad that I was a part of this whole philosophy with Dr. Sarkate, Dr. Khandekar, Dr. Tripathi, and the full team at Bombay Veterinary College, who actually realized our dream to create such a state-of-the-art center. And I wish that you take the best messages at home, and it would be a great experience for all of you. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Good morning. As Executive Secretary of Indian Society for Veterinary Surgery, we welcome this novel course on basics of small animal laparoscopy. This center of Mumbai Veterinary College, MAVSU, is the best in our country for laparoscopic training and has considerable experience in training as well as clinical laparoscopic surgery. This will pay rich dividends to the participants. I am sure all the participants will internalize the basics of laparoscopy and start practicing. I wish the course coordinator Dr. Khandekar a satisfying journey in this endeavor. Best wishes.
With my long association with Mumbai Veterinary College, I am glad to learn that Mumbai Veterinary College, which is one of the oldest veterinary college of India, has developed a minimal invasive center of excellence under RKVY scheme. Improvement of diagnostic skill and surgical art of field veterinarians for maintenance of production and health of livestock through laparoscopy diagnosis and treatment in 2011-13 under the great visionary and now retired professor of surgery Dr. L.B. Sarkate. Since then, this unit has done excellent work in this area and furnished with accolades, having 4 PhD theses, 21 MSc theses, 22 research recommendations, 3 gold medals and awards, including training to veterinarians, human laparoscopic surgeons, and live demonstration in other states like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP and Punjab. Under the guidance and leadership of Dr. G.S. Khandekar, Professor, Department of Surgery and Radiology, Mumbai Veterinary College. I am extremely happy that this online mode of training has gained an overwhelming response of registrations from over 2,000 participants, teaching faculty, practitioner and students, including international participants from various countries like Netherlands, Georgia, Malaysia, Tanzania, Nigeria, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan in just initial 24 hours of announcement. It feels wonderful to know that through this technology, those our veterinary soldiers who are keen on learning new techniques but cannot attend training in person due to their postings in Indian Army, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Remote Veterinary Corps and Border Security Forces are registering for this course and will be benefited along with the students, academic staff and veterinary officers. I congratulate the organizing team for providing the need-based training within the reach during the countrywide lockdown. I extend my warm greetings and wish the course a grand success.